What's happening, guys? It's the Conquistador here, and I went to GameStop today. Oh, by the way, going to GameStop after Christmas, not the smartest idea. The line was huge in the small GameStop. But since I got the PS4 for Christmas, I thought I might go pick up a game. And that game is The Last of Us Remastered. I didn't want to pick it up for the PS3 when it came out. I don't know why I wasn't a big fan of the PS3, but this time I wanted to pick it up, so I picked it up $30 because it was on sale. So I just want to open this. Yeah. There you go. The Last of Us. Alright, thanks guys. Click this out.